Okay, so to find the title page assignment, you're going to go to our class, so Sterl, and then Assignments, Caribou Runaway, and title page assignment. Now, I'll just read through the instructions on what has to be there, and then I'm going to show you how to do this. Okay? So first of all, it says, now that you have read about the gold rush, it's time to create a title page for this novel. Create a new folder in My Pictures and call it Gold Rush. Okay? So, I'm just going to close all here. So on your computer, if you go to Computer, and then right over here, it's going to have your name. For me, it says my name. If you, or actually over here, my bad. So on the left-hand side, you have these different libraries. You're going to go to the Picture Library, and then you're going to click up here in New Folder, and you're going to call the new folder Gold Rush. And then you're going to hit Enter. So now you just created a folder. Okay? Now, so I just did this, and make a folder called Gold Rush. Now find at least 2 pictures about the Gold Rush on the internet. All right, so I'm going to go to Google, and I'm going to go Gold Rush, Enter. And over on the left side, I'm going to click on Images. Images. And they are, you know, I don't know, this guy. Okay, I like this picture. So I'm going to click on that picture. And then to save that picture, I need to right-click on the picture. And then I'm going to select Save Picture. Okay, so I'll do that one more time. I'm going to right-click on it, Save Picture As. I'm going to click on my Pictures library, double-click on my Gold Rush. It's going to suggest a name, Panner. That's okay. I'm going to click on Save. Okay, there's one picture. I'm going to go back, and I like this one. Click on it. I'm going to right-click on it, Save Picture As, go to Pictures, Gold Rush, calls it Gold Rush with Chinese helpers. Okay, I'm good enough with that. I'm going to save it. Okay? All right. Next, create a title page. Oh, here it says, here's a website that has some pictures on it. So if you're having troubles finding these pictures, you can always go to this website. Now, create a title page in Word. So I am in Word right now. So I'm just going to go New, Document. All right. Create a title page in Word. Your title page must have at least 4 pictures of the Gold Rush. 2 pictures must be clip art, and 2 pictures must be from the internet. So I've already saved my 2 internet pictures. Okay. So here I'm going to insert a picture. Well, to do that, I click on Insert Picture. It's going to should automatically go into my libraries, but if by mistake it goes to my videos, or if you can't find your folder, just make sure that you are in the picture library, and then open up the folder called Gold Rush. All right, I'm going to put in my panner. So I'm going to click on that, and then click on Insert, and put the panner in there. Now, I need to right-click on the picture and select Text Wrap Square. So the problem with this is if I try to drag that picture anywhere on my page, it's stuck. It's not going to move. So that's why I'm going to right-click and go down to Text Wrap and select Square. So now what I can do is I can fly that picture anywhere on the page. Actually, I'm going to, down here in my zoom bar, I'm going to just zoom it so I can see the whole page on there. So there's my whole page. So let's say I want to put it right there. Okay? This will allow you to fly the picture to any place. All right? So there's one picture. I'm going to insert the other. And so go click on Insert Picture. My other one, I have to right-click, Text Wrap Square. Now I can drag this one anywhere I want. Okay, so I want those 2 pictures there. So those are my 2 internet pictures, but I also need to put 2 pictures from clip art. So, once again, Insert, but this time instead of picture, I'm going to choose clip art. Click on clip art, and now I have to search for something about the Gold Rush. So I'm just going to, Oh, I'm going to try Gold Rush. I'm not sure if there's going to be any clip art for Gold Rush, but oh, there is. Okay, nice. All right, so I like this guy, so I'm going to just double click on him, and he goes there. And once again, what am I going to have to do to move him? Hidden? Right click, wrap text, square, and now I can fly him down here. And I'm going to do the same thing for that picture. Right click, text wrap, square, and drag them there. Okay, so I'm happy. Now, oh, I should show you this. If you don't like the sizes, you can click on it and you can drag one of these handles and you can resize the picture to fit the page a bit better. So, you know, by clicking on them and drag, these are called handles, dragging the handles, you can manipulate the pictures to look and be the size and shape and what you want. Okay? All right. Second section, a title called Caribou Runaway using word art. Click on Insert Word Art. So I'm going to go up here, click on Insert. Where'd my word art go? Over here, Word Art. Click. And I think I like this. Click. Now, where it says your text here, I'm going to replace it with the title. Caribou Runaway. Click on OK. Once you create the text, click on Text Wrap Square so that you can fly the title. Now this one, I can't right-click and get the text wrap. Instead, I click here, and then text wrap is over here. Text wrap square. Now I can put it wherever I want, right there. Okay, part C. I need to create Sandy Francis Duncan, who is the author. Once again, word art. So, insert, word art. This time I'm going to choose this one here. Sandy Francis Duncan. Click OK. I'm going to click on text wrap, square, and I'm going to fly Sandy down here. Okay, done. Now, for D, at least one of the word art items must be rotated. Grab the little green dot and turn the word. So I'm going to click on Caribou Runaway. This green dot up here, I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to rotate it a little bit. At least one of the, for E, at least one of the word art items must be resized. So I'm going to resize Sandy. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to grab one of these handles. I'm going to drag it, and now it's nice and small, and I'm going to put it over there. F, a border around the edge of your page. Click on Page Layout, Page Border. So I click up here on Page Layout, and then I click on, I lost my page border. Where's page border? Anybody see page border? Left or right? You lost it. Oh, right there. Sorry, page border. Oh, now the reason it's not working is because I've highlighted the word Sandy Duncan. So it thinks I want to put a page border just on that word. So I'm just going to click anywhere on my page, and now I can click on page borders. Now, I can pick all sorts of different, I can just go with straight lines. I can go with a 3D look. It shows you over here. Now, if you want to look at some page border art, you can click here, and all right, okay, I'm going to go stars. Click on that and click OK. So put a page border around my page. Okay, G, your name in a text box. So you have to put your name on this. Click on Insert Text Box and Draw. So I'm going to go to Insert, Text Box, and down here, Draw Text Box. What that does is it brings up a cursor that if I left click and drag, it'll create a text box and you can type your name by Mr. Skirl. Okay? Once you've drawn your text box, you can type your name. Fly your text box to the bottom right corner of your title page. So I got to grab this and fly it down here, which means I probably don't want to have Sandy there. Maybe I want to put Sandy up here. Okay? Then, once you're done, you can print your title page. Now, before you do that, you should probably save it, of course. But to print, you just go File, Print, and it should say to the lab, and then you just click on Print. And that's how you create your title page.